Namaskar and welcome to Hindustani Raga. Today I will teach you Dugun of Jhaptaal. It becomes difficult to show Dugun, Tigun or Laikari of any particular raga for students. But with the help of this video, I will try to make you understand that what is the simpler technique of showing a particular Laikari on hands and what is the best technique which is very useful for students and which will make this task very easy. So let's get started and delve into Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet. If we talk about Jhaptaal, it is a 10 matra taal, and when you divide 10 by 2, it makes 5, which means from first to fifth matra, you will present this taal in thale or ekun, and from sixth matra onwards, you will double the speed. Okay, and then you will complete the dugun of this particular taal. All right. Dhi, na, dhi, dhi, na, dhi, na, dhi, dhi, na, ti, na, dhi, dhi, na, dhi. So this was Jhaptaal. We started its dugun from sixth matra onwards. Okay, students find it very difficult to switch over from thale to dugunle. So I will tell you a very simple technique which will help you in this switchover from thale to dugunle. You can start counting in dugunle and then you can start the taal in dugunle. Since its dugun starts from sixth matra, we will speak its bol till third matra, and on fourth and fifth matra, we will start counting in dugun speed or double speed. So let me show you how you can do this way. Dhi, na, dhi. 1, 2, 1, 2. Dhi, na, dhi, dhi, na. Ti, na, dhi, dhi, na, dhi. So it was very simple. If you will start counting in double lay, it will help you to present this taal in dugun lay very easily and the switch over will be very easier. I hope you will find this video knowledgeful as Jhaptaal is a very important taal in Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet. So keep learning and keep spreading the joy of Hindustani classical music. Namaskar.